Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code 0x800700c1 failed to install in Windows 11 computer, and it reads, "We couldn't install this update, but you can try again with the error code 0x800700C1. And the common reasons to trigger this error is various from internet connectivity issues and corrupted update components. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable antivirus program. So all you have to do is open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then type Windows Security, and then click open. So here at Windows Security, at left side menu, and then you need to select virus and threat protections. And on right side, and then scroll down under at virus threat protection settings, and then you need to click manage settings. So here at real-time protections, and then we need to turn off or disable this real-time protections antivirus. So you can see here the button and then toggle off. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. Alright, so once you turn off these protections and then close this Windows Security, and the other solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to launch System Settings. And here at System Settings, at left side menu, and select System, and on right side, and then scroll down and find and locate Troubleshoots. So click, and then here at Troubleshoots, and then you need to select Other Troubleshooters. And here again at Other Troubleshooters, and then you need to select Windows Update, and on right side, and then you need to tap this Run. So here at detecting problems, we need to wait to complete the initializing and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed, and then you can see here the problems found, the Windows Update, and the other one is already fixed. So did we fix your problem? If yes, you can click this button, but if not, so click no. And you can view also here the view detailed informations about this error. So once you're done here at Windows Update Troubleshooters, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we were going to do is to disable the Windows Update services. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard, and pop-ups this runs. So here in box, and then you need to type this command keyword services.msc, and then click OK. And once open up the services and services local, and on right side, and then scroll down and find and locate this Windows Update services. So scroll down, and once you already find and locate this Windows Update service, so all you have to do is to select and then double click. And then here at General Properties, Startup Type, and then we need to select Disabled, and then click Apply, and then click OK. Alright, so after at Services, and then here at Start menu, and then we need to restart. Okay, so click only Restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0x800700c1 failed to install in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.